Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Ka All Meghalaya SSE Non-Teaching Staff Association haka arpsauterik ujemang arajar arpsan kala pelong da ka jelang ban Pynkup Burom kerpang ye kiri orang ba kumju ki Nongmihkhmat ki he sarkar ki bala yarap bat IMCM hakaban Pynurlong ya ki Jingdawa keseng na benta ka bit ka biang ki syakri ki batrei hapo ka syatri jong ka SSA ha kani ka jelang ka ba isyong kun bala pelong ha community hall dorbal shnong golfling penthorong kra shalong lawan ban yadon lang da u Gabriel walang MLA Nongston kum ukongsan ringkat ki block mission coordinator SSA Jongathan East Khasi Hills but Southwest Khasi Hills ya ka jelang la penya du usalan kamar ha ka baka kong JJ Senrem President AMSNSA kala ay kikitin matphang kadba ubari kupar milim ngap Secretary AMSNSA ha ka bakut jong jelang ula ay ka kentin ngongo
to the site airlines and non-teaching staff are not just support systems. You are the partners in the process, the progress. Any talk of improving the quality of education in Meghalaya must include your welfare, your recognition, and your empowerment. As we facilitate today, and I must thank the associations, gratitude, it almost lost in this present world. We very often talk about success of education. We think it's all only the classroom and the teachers. But behind every well-functioning school, it is dedicated by a team of tireless behind the scenes. Our office staff, clerks, your data entry operator, and all the non-teaching staff, who ensure that the wheel of education system turns smoothly every single day. You are the silent strength of our mission. Your contribution may not always seem on the blackboard, but they are felt in every textbook delivered on time. Every salary is processed, every report submitted, and every child who receives right support at the right time. It is your efficiency, your commitment, your perseverance that keeps the foundation of the SSA strong. The path you have chosen is not always easy. There are challenges to be in administrative, logistics, or financial. But you have continued with dignity, professionalism, and loyalty to the cause of education. For that, we owe you not just our thanks, but our utmost respect.